Alright guys, so I created this reactive character animation through the Alight Motion app. Now let me teach you how to create similar video using your Capcut app. You get my point? So guys, please watch till the end. Let's go. Alright, so on Capcut now click on new project. So at this point it will take you to your gallery, but it will go to Capcut library and add a green background. Alright, so here is the green background. So at this point we are going to move it to get 12 seconds of it. You know, normally it's always 3 seconds once you bring in a picture to Capcut. Now before I forget, please make sure you go to your Chrome browser and download a white circle background. Understand? A white circle shape background and a red circle shape background. Now the white is a must because that's what we are going to use for the eyes. So you can use any other color for the character. You get my point? So we are creating the eye right now. So once you extend your duration to 10 seconds, now the next thing we have to do right here is to click on the navigation button down here. Now click on overlay. So at this point you click on add overlay and bring in the white colored circle shape background. You get my point? Anyhow, white circle shape. So you're going to bring it in. Alright guys, so here it is. So you have to make sure you make it get to 10 seconds. Now this is perfect like this. So we are going to edit everything we want the eye to do. Understand? We are going to use this particular circle shape to do everything now. So please stay tuned and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So now go to mask. So when you click on mask, you click on circle. So at this point you click on adjust. Now go to size. So you are going to reduce the size like this on the X. So you can leave it at either 30 or 31 or between 30 and 35. Understand? So I will leave it at 35. So I will leave my Y to remain here 50. You get my point? You can decide to make your own bigger or make your own smaller. So when this is done, now you click on the OK button right here. Now this is how I want my eye to look like. You get my point? So the next thing we have to do now is to move the eye to the direction we want the eye to be looking at. You get my point? So now you add keyframe at the beginning of this eye layer. Move the video a bit to 3 seconds like this. So you can move the eye towards this direction like this, not too much. Now move the video a bit, add another keyframe. Now move again to somewhere 6 seconds or 7. Okay, leave it at 7 seconds like this. Then you are going to move the eye to this other direction like this. You get my point? Now move it again and add another keyframe. So you move the video towards 9 seconds like this. You can move the eye upward, not too much, just like that. You get my point? Maybe you can leave it somewhere here. So now we will have to add graph. Go to graph, go to rebound, the second rebound. Now click on the second rebound. Now go to this other side of it and add rebound again, the second rebound. Now go towards the first, in between the first and the second keyframe, and add another rebound. So this is it. So if you play the video, you will have something like this. You get my point? So this is how I want it to look like. Alright, so we will have to make the eye to blink. You get my point? So from this particular part here, I will want to add my own. So I'll click here, tap on the eye layer. So I'll add keyframe here, move the video a bit, add another keyframe. Now move it a bit again, then add another keyframe. Understand? Now come towards this part here, where here I'll add keyframe, move it a bit, add another keyframe. Now I am adding 3 keyframes. You get my point? 3 keyframes. So I'll need to make the eye to blink like 3 times. So add it here again and add here again. So now in between these 3 keyframes, that's the second keyframe, like this particular section here. You get my point? Now go to opacity. Go to opacity. Alright, so click on opacity. So now reduce the opacity to 0. So you have to reduce it to 0 like this. You get my point? So you come down to this other middle part like this and still reduce it to 0. Come to this other middle part here, this other middle keyframe, and reduce it to 0. So if you play the video, it will be something like this. You get my point? So then you can now export this particular part to your gallery. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, welcome to Mr. Cretin Update. Guys, I teach how to edit videos and I teach how to create motion designs. You get my point? So guys, if this is what you want to know or you want to learn, guys, you are on the right channel. Do well to like, do well to subscribe to this channel, and do well to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point? So now you click on done. Now click on new project. At this point, go to library again. From here you are going to select your preferred background. Now this can be any color. You get my point? So I will select this one. So at this point you will have to extend it to 10 seconds. Remember, we use 10 seconds in the other one, in the first one. You get my point? So now you will need to bring in the red circle shape downloaded. So click on the navigation button, click on overlay. Now bring it in just like this. Guys, I believe you are following. So this is good. So what you do here is you drag it down like this. You can make it bigger depending on how you want it to be. So I'll leave mine to be like this. You get my point? So now as you can see, there's no gradient to this color, so we need to add gradients to it. So to do that, you need to duplicate this layer. So where is duplicate? Duplicate it. So now on the duplicated layer, go to adjust. So tap on the brightness and reduce brightness. Tap on contrast and reduce a little. Saturation, just a little. Now go to brilliance and reduce completely. Go to sharpen, increase to 100. Clarity, increase to 100. Now go to highlight. Highlight, you need to reduce it completely. Go to shadow, you reduce like this. Guys, I believe you get my point. Now click on the OK button. Now bring it down to make it the third layer. So once you bring it down, you're going to have something like this. Now tap on the third layer, go to mask. Now click on mask, click on circle. So from here, tap on the adjust button to increase the size to somewhere 70 or 80. You can leave it here at 80. That's the Y 80 and the X 80. So now tap on the fader button and increase the fader like this. So you are going to increase the fader like this, not too much, understand? Remember, we are looking for gradients, and as you can see, we've created it right now. So I'll leave my fader here at 30. So you click on the OK button. Let's see what we got. So look at it here. I think this is fine, understand? So at this point, what you're going to do next is you duplicate this layer. Just duplicate this layer. So you are going to bring it down like this. So tap on the layer and drag it up. So from here you are going to adjust it, make it small. So you bring it towards this particular point like this. So now go to adjust again. So increase the shadow. You can bring it back to normal 0. So you will have to undo some of these options here. You get my point? You need to undo some of them, not all, depending on how you want it to look like. So I'll just leave it like this. I don't want to do much. So guys, this is it. So now the next thing we will have to do is to overlay the eye. Understand? Remember the eye. We need to overlay it right now. So guys, here is the eye we just created. So we will have to go to remove BG. So click on remove BG. Now click on chroma key. Move the color picker to green. So at this point you can increase the intensity a little. Increase the shadow a little. Go to fader edge and touch a little. Clean up edge, you touch a little. Now tap on the OK button. So at this point you are going to reduce the size like this. Remember, it's an eye. It must not be bigger than the head. Alright, so look at it here. So you play the video, let's see. Okay, so as it is now, we're going to move it to this particular part. Then we will have to duplicate this layer. Let it be at this somewhere here. Then tap on duplicate. Duplicate this layer. Now bring it down. Just the way you see me do. Now tap on the layer and drag it like this. So guys, if you play the video right now, you're going to have something like this. So I believe you get my point. So if you want to add an object, you can still click on the add overlay button right here below and then bring in an object. So guys, I just brought in this shape. You get my point. So I will reduce the size like this. At this point, I'll add keyframe at the beginning. Then I'll move the video a bit towards where the eye is looking at. So I will drag the shape to that particular side. So let's see. So this time around, you're going to add graph. So you are going to be adding cubic out. So click on graph like this. So tap on cubic out. So look at it right there. You get my point. Now you are going to move this video till when you get to where the eye wants to move again, somewhere here. So now you add another keyframe right there. So from this point the eye wants to move again, you add another keyframe. Then as the eye is moving towards this direction, then you drag the object to that direction. You get my point? Then you come back here in the middle and add that cubic out. You get my point? So you do the same thing right here. Once the eye is about to move, so at this point you add keyframe here again. Once the eye is about to move, you add another keyframe. And move the video a bit to where the eye is settled. Now you move the object like this. So now you come back here and add your graph cubic out. So click on OK. Now let's play the video to see what we got. So guys, I believe you get my point, and I believe you like the video. You get my point? If you are using Alight Motion also and you want to learn how to do this using the Alight Motion, and I believe Alight Motion is more simpler than this, so you can click the link at the end of this video, or you check the description of this video and watch that tutorial. You get my point? So without wasting much time, see you in our next video.